Hey guys, so you actually really want to know what natural cleaners I use to clean my barbecue. Well, what I ended up doing was getting together the two natural cleaners that I have in my household and fighting them off against each other. It was a battle of sorts. So there is one, EkoWorx, which I found on Facebook, and two, Nature Direct, which have probably about 5 different cleaners for different reasons.
So watch as I fight them off against each other. I am getting over cold and I had a pretty decent dose of the sinus infection while I filmed this, but enjoy. Thanks guys. Okay guys, so this is my barbecue. I am cleaning it out. Obviously there's a lot of gunk coming through the grill into this part of the barbecue. Now what I'm doing here is just getting rid of all the bits and pieces, like the crusty bits. You can see that it's very, very baked on with fat and residue. This is a bottle brush, by the way. Sorry, I've got a cold, so excuse the nasal voice. Some people say it's sexy. I just feel like I sound like a man. I have 2 natural cleaners that I use in my house because since having kids, I actually didn't want them to start getting into the cupboards and swallowing poison. So I decked out my cupboards with all natural cleaners and I've loved them. Now originally I was using Nature Direct, where you buy the concentrate, add water and just spray away. Love that, have used it for 6 years. But then recently I found this thing on Facebook called EkoWorx and I will show you all about that. So what I'm actually doing, never done this before, is just testing out both cleaning products to see how we go. So both natural cleaning products on this fatty barbecue, baked on, having cleaned this part of the barbecue for at least a year. So here they are. This one is Nature Direct here. So that is the concentrate. You pour into the bottle 25 ml and then fill the bottle with water. This is EkoWorx, so this comes with just as is. You just tip this into the bottle.
Okay, so let's do this. This half, I think I'll use the EkoWorx. So you just spray it on. You actually apparently use less rather than more. I feel like I need to use more. They don't suggest that you leave it, but for really tough grime, leave it for 30 seconds. And this is the Nature Direct. So you just spray this on. And that one you should leave for 3 to 4 minutes. So we shall do the EkoWorx clean first. Okay, here we go. Now I am a bit skeptical. I kind of feel like I'm going to let everybody down. But the EkoWorx side, they suggest using dry cloth on their product. They do come with, like the packages come with cloth, but I actually don't want to get so much oil and grossness on my cloth and then have to wash them out. So I'm using paper towel. Let's see how it goes.
You do need a bit of elbow grease. There's pretty stuff on there. Coming off. Looking good. Oh, how gross is this sausage fat, chopped fat. Ooh, just fat. See, that is pretty good because even though it's smearing around, it's actually lifting off the base. So I'm very pleased with that. I won't bore you with the whole clean. I will just wipe it out. Well, you won't believe me, will you? So I will film it. Just have to get more paper towel. Okay. So hard to do this while filming. Okay. That's pretty good. Oops. Hey, now I don't mind that actually. So I'll just do this spot because it's going to bore you. But check that out. All of that fat has come off. Still good. So So what I would do now, and they do suggest this on the website, is I'd go over it again and make sure it just has a second clean. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yep, EkoWorx works. Okay, so now this side is for Nature Direct. Now what they suggest is it has to be wet for it to lift up the grime that has been lifted off the surface. So you need to do it before the spray dries, and you also need to have a wet cloth. Completely different to EkoWorx. Now, obviously this is a crummy cloth. I'm not going to use my good cloth on the barbecue. But this is also good. So there you have it, guys. Like, I'll just do this one section for you. That is Nature Direct. Let me clean my finger and do that again so you don't get false. So that is really good. I would actually not even do that again. So depending on what you feel like doing, whether you need to have a wet cloth or whether you want to do it dry. See, that one needs a little bit more. You can use either cleaner. And do you know what really excites me about that? Yes, you do need a bit of elbow grease, but cleaning isn't meant to be easy. But it's natural. It's all natural products. You are not putting chemicals in your house around your kids for them to absorb it. I will put links to EkoWorx and to Nature Direct in my bio down below, so check it out. I don't normally do cleaning demonstrations, but I just wanted to get this on camera before I actually got so excited about it personally on my own. That is amazing. Both of these are awesome. Okay, so I just went over it one more time with Nature Direct, and just want to show you. Clean. Can you see that? Clean. A little bit of grime, but that's okay. And this one? Clean. That's as clean as I want my barbecue. Like, seriously. So good. I'm actually really impressed. I love natural products. Get on it, guys. Swap out your chemicals for Nature Direct or EkoWorx. Not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored. Just an experiment, and thought I'd share it with you.